So today for the second first timer tool video, I chose to use Adobe Design. Last time I used LiveCode, which I really liked, and I liked learning about coding and just like different things that it had to offer, but I wanted to use something that I think I'll probably use more of, and I think it's a good alternative to it has like the benefits of both Paint and like Word, I guess, because it has like how you can type on it and stuff like Word does, but then it also has the ability to draw what you want on it like Paint does. And so this time I also used Screencast-O-Matic instead of just recording it from my phone, because I think it works a lot better because I'm not having to do what I am trying to do on the computer and also hold my phone steady at the same time, which it really wasn't that steady. So the first thing I did was learn how to type on it, and it took me a minute because when you click on it, it doesn't like just, well, it does bring it over here, but it works better if you hold it down and then get to the tool you want, because you can either use this tool or this one, and a lot of them have like a lot more options. So you get this, and then you come over here and make the border for what you want to write in, and then you can type. And then you can highlight it just like in Word and get bigger. And I think it has a lot more options in the font than Word does, which I really like because I sometimes get tired of all of the same fonts that you use in Word. And then another tool I found was the pencil tool, because like I said, it just lets you draw what you want to draw, and you can also fill in like if you draw a circle or a square, and then you can come over here to colors and it'll fill it in. And then this little hand I found can let you just drag your assignment or your paper around. So if you had another one over here, or like you were working on several at the same time, you could just bring this over here and like move it out of the way, so you could be working on multiple at the same time, especially if you're doing like pages that are in consecutive order and stuff. And then also this pen tool, it's kind of cool because it lets you, it draws lines, but it kind of makes these designs. They have this tool in Paint too, but I always had fun with it because I liked making different designs and then filling in all the different holes with the colors. So over here with the colors, you can choose a color and it will just fill in the design for you, which makes it a little different. Adds some character. So yeah, I've just been playing around in the Adobe Design, which I like, and I think once I figure out how to use more of the tools in it, that I will probably start using it a lot.